Tonight, a national organization that fights for victims' rights is asking the Athens district attorney to better train its attorneys. This comes after a judge ruled the DA's office violated the rights of an alleged rape victim when it dismissed the case without her knowledge. Investigator Rebecca Lindstrom says it is now up to the judge to decide whether to reindict that case.
4 years ago, voters said yes, victims should have constitutional rights that protect them in court. But this appears to be the first time a prosecutor has been held accountable for violating those rights. The case, a father accused of raping his daughter, who was 14 years old at the time. Her mother says she found evidence on the girl's phone.
He was a lot of time asking her to come into our home office with him, and if she didn't respond, he would ask her to delete the messages.
During the time this case was pending,
We're not identifying the mother or child involved, but their precedent-setting case will shape the future. After the jury was seated, instead of presenting those text messages or calling witnesses, the prosecutor dismissed the charges.
Judge Norris asked, do we intend to bring this case back? No. We're done. That is, in my opinion, such a lack of effort on behalf of the district attorneys.
The court transcript is full of admissions. Chief Assistant District Attorney Robert Wilson says, "I made a mistake," and a key witness was not subpoenaed. And Wilson told the court when he did try to serve that witness, she refused to take it.
It was a false narrative created by the prosecutor's office in order to attempt at a continuance and ultimately a reason for dismissal. And neither one of them were valid.
I have a strong objection to this.
Under Marcy's law, crime victims are constitutionally guaranteed notification of hearings and when a defendant is released. They will also have the right to speak at hearings.
Because we didn't care about winning the case or not. We really just wanted to put it behind us, have our day in court.
The DA wrote an article in May about the importance of giving victims and witnesses that voice. But in court, she spent 2 hours trying to stop
So as you stated, Your Honor,
anyone from testifying about what happened. The victim's mother was the only one allowed on the stand at the Marcy's Law hearing.
do the two of you still want to go to court in a trial against Mr. and your daughter testify and you testify?
Yes.
The judge has not said whether he will reindict this case, but he does plan to speak with lawmakers. He says the state needs to better define how Marcy's Law should be used and the consequences for violating it.